Imagine a burst of pure joy. Picture a moment where the world seems to pause, and in that pause, an explosion of colors takes over. This is the essence of Holi, the festival of colors, a celebration that transcends age, culture, and boundaries. It's a time when people come together to forget their worries and immerse themselves in the vibrant hues of happiness. The air is filled with laughter, and the streets become a canvas for the most beautiful artwork imaginable. The sun's barely up, and the day just explodes with color. As the first light of dawn breaks, the anticipation builds. People gather in the streets, armed with bags of colored powder, ready to drench each other in a spectrum of shades. The early morning air is crisp, but it quickly warms up with the energy and excitement of the festivities. The city awakens to a new day, one that promises joy and togetherness. Everywhere you look, there's excitement in the air. Laughter fills the streets. Friends and strangers alike come together, their faces smeared with colors, their clothes a testament to the fun they've had. It's a time when social barriers dissolve, and everyone is united in the spirit of celebration. The sound of music and drums adds to the festive atmosphere, making it impossible not to join in the merriment. It's Holi, and all of India is like a blank canvas, just waiting for someone to paint on it. From the narrow lanes of small towns to the bustling streets of big cities, every corner of the country is alive with color. The aerial view reveals a breathtaking mosaic of hues, a testament to the collective joy of millions. It's a sight that captures the essence of Holi, a festival that celebrates life in its most vibrant form. The sweet smell of gujia, a special Holi treat, floats from homes, mixing with the smell of fresh spices. Families come together. It's incredible. This is a celebration of being alive, a big, bright welcome to spring. The arrival of spring brings with it a sense of renewal and hope. Holi marks the end of winter's gloom and the beginning of a season filled with promise. People dance with abandon, their movements a reflection of the joy they feel. The air is thick with colored powder, and every breath is a reminder of the beauty of life. Since ancient times, Holi has meant the end of winter's cold. This festival has deep roots in Indian culture and history. It is mentioned in ancient texts and depicted in historical paintings, showing that the joy of Holi has been celebrated for centuries. The traditions have been passed down through generations, each adding their own touch to the festivities. It's a link to the past, a reminder of the enduring spirit of celebration, a fresh start. The world wakes up. As the earth comes to life with blooming flowers and budding trees, people prepare their homes for the festival. Cleaning and decorating become acts of renewal, symbolizing the fresh start that Holi represents. It's a time to let go of the old and embrace the new, to welcome the season of growth and abundance. Nature explodes in a rainbow of colors, just like the joyous colors we put on our faces, clothes, and even in the air. The vibrant hues of spring are mirrored in the colors of Holi, creating a seamless blend of natural beauty and human celebration. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life and the joy that comes from being a part of this beautiful world. It reminds us that life is always changing, always beautiful, just like these fleeting moments. Holi is a celebration of the present, a time to live in the moment and appreciate the beauty around us. The colors may fade, but the memories created during this festival last a lifetime. It's a reminder to embrace change, to find joy in the little things, and to celebrate the vibrant tapestry of life. But Holi isn't just about colors, it's a festival that carries a deep and profound meaning, rooted in ancient traditions and stories that have been passed down through generations. The vibrant hues that fill the air are a symbol of the triumph of good over evil, a celebration of love, and the arrival of spring. But to truly understand Holi, we must delve into the rich tapestry of Hindu mythology and the stories that give this festival its significance. It comes from deep within Hindu stories. These stories are not just tales of the past, but are imbued with moral lessons and spiritual insights that continue to resonate with people today. They are stories of devotion, faith, and the eternal struggle between good and evil. One such story, which is central to the celebration of Holi, is the tale of Prahlad and Holika. The story of Prahlad, who loved Vishnu, and his mean aunt Holika is at the heart of this festival. Prahlad was a young prince, known for his unwavering devotion to Lord Vishnu, the preserver and protector in the Hindu Trinity. His faith was so strong that it became a beacon of hope and righteousness, even in the face of great adversity. Prahlad's father, King Hiranyakashipu, wanted everyone to worship him. He was a powerful and tyrannical ruler who believed himself to be invincible. His arrogance and desire for absolute power led him to demand that his subjects, including his own son, worship him as a god. But Prahlad, with his steadfast devotion to Vishnu, refused to bow down to his father's demands. Prahlad refused. He only believed in Vishnu. His refusal was not just an act of defiance but a testament to his deep faith and spiritual conviction. Despite the threats and punishments from his father, Prahlad remained resolute in his belief, praying to Vishnu and seeking his protection. This made the king furious, so he told Holika to kill Prahlad. Holika, the king's sister, possessed a magical cloak that made her immune to fire. She was confident in her ability to carry out her brother's orders, and saw this as an opportunity to prove her loyalty to the king. Holika, who couldn't be harmed by fire, tricked Prahlad into sitting on a huge bonfire with her. She believed that her magical cloak would protect her while the flames consumed Prahlad. But Prahlad, with his unwavering faith in Vishnu, remained calm and composed, trusting that the divine would protect him. As the flames roared, something amazing happened. The magical cloak that Holika wore flew off her and enveloped Prahlad, shielding him from the fire. Holika, on the other hand, was left unprotected and was consumed by the flames. This miraculous event was seen as a divine intervention, a testament to the power of faith and the protection of the righteous. Prahlad's faith protected him. Holika, consumed by her own wickedness, burned in the fire. This story is a powerful reminder of the triumph of good over evil, of the strength of faith, and the ultimate justice that prevails. It is this story that is commemorated during Holi, as people come together to celebrate the victory of righteousness and the power of devotion. Holi celebrates this victory of good over evil, of believing in something good even when things are tough. It is a time for people to come together, to forgive and forget, and to spread joy and love. The colors of Holi are not just a visual spectacle, but a representation of the vibrant and diverse spirit of humanity, a celebration of life itself. Days before Holi, the markets come alive. Stalls are overflowing with brightly colored powders called gulal. Every color you can imagine. Red, green, yellow, blue. Each color has a meaning. Red for love and new life. Green for fresh starts. Yellow for turmeric, which makes you healthy. The air buzzes with excitement. Families buy colors, sweets, and water guns called pichkaris. Kids, with mischievous grins, pick their favorite ones. Laughter spills onto the streets, like the soundtrack to all the Holi preparations. Then, the big day arrives. The energy is contagious. Everyone gathers in open spaces, their faces full of excitement. The first color flies through the air, a splash of red, then another, and another. Soon the air is a beautiful mess of rainbow colors. Music starts playing, drums beat a powerful rhythm, people dance, lost in the moment. Strangers become friends, celebrating together. Water guns spray colored water, soaking everyone in a cool hug. The laughter is impossible to resist, just like the spirit of Holi. Holi brings everyone together. It doesn't matter what your background is, your religion, or how much money you have. All those differences disappear in the colorful chaos. The festival of Holi is a vibrant celebration that transcends social and economic barriers. It is a time when people from all walks of life come together to revel in the joy of colors. The air is filled with laughter and the spirit of camaraderie as individuals, regardless of their differences, unite in the festivities. The colors of Holi symbolize the myriad hues of humanity, blending together to create a beautiful tapestry of unity and togetherness. Rich and poor, young and old, everyone celebrates side by side. The festival is a great equalizer where the distinctions of wealth and age fade away. It is a time when the young and the old, the affluent and the less fortunate all come together to share in the joy of the occasion. The vibrant colors of Holi serve as a reminder that beneath the surface, we are all the same, sharing the same hopes, dreams, and aspirations. The festival fosters a sense of community and belonging, bridging the gaps that often divide us. This is the true spirit of Holi. It breaks down walls, creating a feeling of unity and belonging. The festival encourages people to let go of their inhibitions and embrace one another with open arms. It is a time when old grudges are forgotten and new friendships are forged. The act of throwing colors at one another is symbolic of the breaking down of barriers and the building of bridges. Holi is a celebration of love, friendship, and the human connection that binds us all. It reminds us that even though we are different, we are all connected. The festival of Holi serves as a powerful reminder of our shared humanity. It is a time when people from different ethnicities, cultures, and backgrounds come together to celebrate their commonalities. The colors of Holi represent the diversity of the human experience, and the act of coming together to celebrate signifies our interconnectedness. It is a time to celebrate our differences and to recognize that, at our core, we are all part of the same human family. We are all part of the same human family. Holi is a celebration of the bonds that unite us, transcending the boundaries of race, religion, and nationality. It is a time to come together and celebrate the beauty of our shared humanity. The festival serves as a reminder that, despite our differences, we are all connected by the same fundamental human experiences. The joy and laughter of Holi are a testament to the power of unity and the strength of the human spirit. Holi paints a picture of harmony. The festival is a vibrant celebration of life, love, and unity. The explosion of colors in the air is a visual representation of the harmony that exists within the diversity of the human experience. Holi is a time to come together and celebrate the beauty of our differences, and to recognize the common threads that bind us all. It is a celebration of the human spirit and the power of unity. It shows the beauty of India's diverse culture. Holi is a reflection of the rich cultural tapestry of India, where people from different backgrounds come together to celebrate their shared heritage. The festival is a celebration of the diversity that makes India unique, and a reminder of the strength that comes from unity. The vibrant colors of Holi are a testament to the beauty of India's diverse culture, and the festival serves as a reminder of the importance of coming together to celebrate our shared humanity. But Holi is more than just a big party. It has a deeper meaning. It's a time to forgive, to let go of old arguments. Putting color on each other is like wiping away negativity. It's a fresh start. Old fights are forgotten. People make peace with each other. There's a feeling of relief, a lightness in your heart. Holi cleanses you, inside and out. As the day winds down, families and friends get together. The air, still filled with the scent of colors, now smells like delicious food. Tables are loaded with traditional treats. Gujia, a sweet dumpling, is the star. There are samosas, crispy and savory. Thandai, a cool drink with almonds and spices, quenches your thirst. The feast is a celebration of all the good things in life. It's a time for sharing and being together. As the sun sets, the colors slowly fade. The laughter quiets down. A feeling of peace settles in. Holi leaves you feeling refreshed and hopeful. The spirit of the festival stays with you. The colors might wash away, but the memories remain. Memories of laughter, of togetherness, of forgiveness. It reminds you to enjoy life's vibrancy, to live each day to the fullest, to find joy in the little things. This is the lasting magic of Holi.